my name is Dawn Tarquinio. I'm so excited to be the proud principal of this school here at Woodland Elementary. We are so excited to kick off the 21-22 school year. We are planning some phenomenal things for your kids. It's so exciting to see so many kids coming in this afternoon. They are pumped and ready to go. Can't wait to see everybody next week.
Hi, I'm Veronica Keeler, and I'm the counselor at Woodland Elementary School, and we'd like to welcome you to our open house tonight. And we are so excited to see everybody.
Hi, my name's Rebecca Tabo. I'm the Library Media Specialist here at Woodland, and we are here at Open House helping parents sign up for Parent Portal, where they can complete their online paperwork, they can check attendance and check grades, and prevents a lot of paperwork from going home every year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith here at Woodland Elementary, and we're handling the car rider tags. So in the afternoon we have parents come and pick up their children, and we issue them tags to make that system a lot safer and a lot faster. And so we're checking IDs and issuing our car tags tonight to speed things up on our first day of school. Can't wait to see everybody there.
Hi there, I'm Edna Powell. I work in transportation for Hardin County Schools, and we're working at Woodland Elementary at their open house tonight, helping parents and students find out bus numbers and times. Please remember, be out about 10 minutes early the first few days, and give us about 2 weeks to get the routes all lined out and almost perfect. All right, thanks, y'all. Have a good night.
My name is Carrie Stalcup. I'm working with Shamika Harden, who is our Family Resource Coordinator here at Woodland. I'm working the table. We are looking for parent members for our advisory council, and just giving out a little bit of information of what she does for our students in our community.
Hi, my name is Susie Durbin. I'm with Woodland Elementary. Tonight we are sharing some new program we have been allotted here at Woodland. It's called the 21st Century Grant. Our goal is to enroll students that are educationally challenged and try to help them with homework, give them some academic fun. We'll be running the program from 2:30 to 5:30, Monday through Thursday. And so we'll be identifying students and want to invite students to come, and it'll be a discipline program. So they'll have academic fun, they'll have help with their homework, they'll get a snack, we'll send home a dinner. So we'll have lots of fun activities after school, and they'll be here from 2:30 to 5:30, Monday through Thursday.
Hello, my name is Amber Miller. I am from Troop 655. I am helping girls sign up for Girl Scouts. You can also join us by going onto a website, Girl Scout Kentuckians. This summer, we're actually going on camp trips. You can earn badges for doing many. When I was on my first camp trip, we were living in the cabin. I got a badge for doing s'mores. I helped with the wood. We also did cooking stuff. You can also learn how to weave and stuff. It's very amazing to learn. So I hope you can come and join us on our journey.
You can get more information with Christie, the Membership Experience Coordinator. Her number is 270-349-0970. I am one of the parent of Amber Miller. I'm a volunteer mom, so I'm able to go out, work with her, doing special activities with her. We welcome all parents to come and support, to have, one-on-one time, and let's get our young ladies signed up for Girl Scouts.
Kiwanis Club comes to you from Woodland Elementary today in Radcliffe. We are here just supporting the kids community. We're all about giving back to the community with our fundraising and so forth. We're just here giving away some good items to the kids, and always looking for volunteers to join and meet with us. Thank you.
My name is Bill Corley. I'm a retired teacher in Hardin County. I retired from Woodland, and now I'm an instructional assistant here. I'm giving away free PPE. We have masks, gloves, face shields, black ones. We've got red ones. Got a lot of everything of PPE if you need it. I think we might need it because I believe this virus is going to be around for some time. And I am anxious for the school year to start, but a little anxious also in the negative way because we don't know what to expect, do we?
Hi, I'm Christie Meza. I'm the school nurse here at Woodland Elementary, and I'm with Cumberland Family Medical with Healthy Kids Clinic. The most important thing is make sure you fill out those registration forms for us school nurses, or else we can't see your kids in the nurse's office at the schools for anything. So fill those out, send them back, and we'll take care of your babies. Also, if your child needs a well child immunizations, school physical, sports physical, give us a call. We'll get that scheduled, and we'll have a nurse practitioner come to the school and get that taken care of so you don't have to miss work and your kids don't have to miss school. COVID testing in the elementary school, the shots are for 12 and up, so I don't have too many 12-year-olds here in this school.
I'm Michelle Meagher. I'm the Cub Master for Pack 488 here in Radcliffe. We are the Cub Scout pack here that we do camping, hiking, fishing, building rockets, race boats, race cars, learn about STEM and science projects, learn tying knots. We do a whole lot of safety, all of those different kinds of things. We are having a meeting for parents this Monday at Radcliffe Presbyterian Church here right down off of Logston. We're going to be doing a rocket launch that night for the kids, and also doing a drawing for a kid to win a couple of rockets to build themselves. And if you are interested, please come to that meeting. We look forward to seeing you. We are for boys and girls, kindergarten through 5th grade.